Hey guys, what's up? This is Matt, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. It's my sponsor pack from Costa FB. I had to take off my address and his address for our safety, I guess. So I'm just gonna unbox this. Alright, so it has a note in it. Has a lot of things in it. It has his deck, his grip tape, and that's it. And it's his deck too. Alright, so I got a lot of grip tapes, foam tapes, and I got a note from him. So yeah, check out his channel, which is FBI. Link will be in the description, sidebar, whatever you want to call it. And thank you, Eric, for sending out the stuff. Later.